You don't have to be loud to make a lot of noise. After all, that will spoil the element of surprise. The all-new, all-electric Mustang Mach Ii.
What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well and great spirits. A very late and unusually late episode on the channel, but we just got some information from the Mustang 6G by virtue of the Mach-E forum that yes, the new all-electric Mustang Mach Ii electric Mustang, I don't know the name of it properly, the electric Mustang SUV has been leaked. That's right. Everything has been leaked. I'm pretty sure now. This is all by virtue of the forum, so this is kind of an unofficial leak, but this is what we're reporting on. We're going to talk about it. This shows that there's going to be different variants, the performance, the price. You can actually reserve the car as well when it releases on Sunday. Here's our first look at it. It is an all-wheel drive option. Let's take a look at some of it. This is a 2021 Mustang Mach Ii. As you can see, it's showing here that it has a capability of a mid 3 seconds 0 to 60 and a 300-mile range on the charge. So pretty impressive. It comes in all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. What we're seeing in this red color is the all-wheel drive version. I think it looks pretty handsome just off the first looks of these leaked images. We will be able to see it in person too at the LA Auto Show coming up. It has it looks like the four-door Mustang, what we thought about it. It looks like a Mustang SUV. Of course, you see the horse. A lot of people said, oh, it's a Mustang inspired. They are calling it the Mustang Mach-E. This is the Mustang SUV. Of course, E is for electric. I love actually the way it looks. I'm a huge fan of the design. I think it's handsome. Really a fan. I like it so far from what I'm seeing. Big, huge fan of the headlights. It looks like the headlights are copying off of the rear tri-bar taillights. So that's inspired there. What you can see is it has a huge electric roof. This is coming at Tesla's neck, y'all. This is crazy. I love it. I love it. I love that they're coming hard with the Mustang name. I guess Ford we were so souped up about the G500, they had this in their back pocket, this all-electric Mustang Mach-E. Of course, there's going to be some people who are upset about the Mach 1 name being put to an SUV, but you know, Ford's always making trends and breaking the norms, so this is what they're doing. I love the way it looks just based off these pictures. I can't wait to see it in person. Again, these are leaks. This is not official. I'm just reporting off what I'm seeing from Mustang 6G. I'll put links down below so you guys can check it out in real time. We're taking a look at the interior. Epic, because it has, when I talk about a big screen, that screen looks ginormous. It's not just one, but two huge screens. Of course, it has the Mustang steering wheel. It looks all together. The future of exhilaration. Wow. So what a year for Mustang. We had not just the 2020 GT500, you have the EcoBoost performance variant, and now you have this crazy, what I think is a very handsome looking SUV. I'm excited to take a look at it. Just take a look at the pricing here. It says the first edition is starting at $59,900. So, and it starts as low as $52,000, and you do get you get the tax, a $7,500 tax from the government, much like the Chevy Volt had. This link I'll put down below has everything you need to read up on it. This is a leak, you know. Let's take a look. So, okay, so I think the top model is $59,000. The Select, which is probably rear-wheel drive, starts at $43,000. So actually a very competitive price here. It's $43,000 for the Select model, and of course that comes with the credit, and that has a mid 5-second range to 60. There is an all-wheel drive option. Premium is $50,000, and it has a lot of technology as well. Mid 5 seconds. There's a California Route 1 model, a mid 6-second, which is probably a lot more for just the longevity of how long you can drive. But the one we like and we would like to test is the GT. That's $60,500 with a mid 3-second 0 to 60 all-wheel drive, 20-inch wheels. What do you guys think? I mean, the future is now. This seems to be a legitimate leak. Check it out for yourself. Just reading off the forums, they just off these pictures, you don't see door handles or what people are saying. There is a deposit you can put down. So it's gonna be, if you thought the EcoBoost was crazy, now we're here. We officially have a Mustang SUV. It's here. Not only that, it's electric. So it's all there. It's all there. The future of exhilaration. It's happening. Just a quick video. It's out. Comment below your thoughts. If this is the one or not. We're going to see it in person ourselves. We'll do a walk around, let you know. But hey, it's from Ford. It has a Mustang symbol on it. It's a Mustang. The electric Mustang is here, and it's in the form of an SUV. Let me know, comment below, because you guys know it never ends. Peace.
Nowhere. Those are the ones that show up, change everything.
We are at the Smithers Winter Test Facility. It's a wild place. Today is all about evaluating our vehicle in extreme conditions. Ice and packed snow. We have to make sure the battery operates as expected in such cold conditions.
The vehicle's handling really well. The feedback from the throttle is immediate in a way only a battery electric vehicle can really give you. It gives you a much more instantaneous level of control. The electric vehicle can drive through pretty extreme conditions.
People are going to be surprised.